Hello classmates.
Today we will explain the installation and commissioning of the nacelles in Project 2. Task 9. Installation of the nacelle cover.
For this task, we will explain it in 2 key points.
This time, let's learn about the installation of the nacelle cover assembly together.
First, before installing the cabin cover body assembly, the left cabin body components and the right cabin body components need to be cleaned thoroughly with a cleaning agent and a cloth.
Ensure that the outer surfaces of the left and right nacelle cover and all connection surfaces are clean.
After the components are cleaned thoroughly,
it is necessary to inspect the sealing gaskets. First, check whether the sealing gaskets on the left and right cabin body components are firmly bonded.
Bonded firmly with universal adhesive.
Then, during the inspection process, it is necessary to pay attention to observing whether the sealing gaskets between the connection surfaces of the left and right cabin body components are firmly bonded.
It must be bonded to the connection surfaces of the left and right cabin body components.
Finally, make sure that all the holes on the sealing gasket are fully punctured, and that's it. After completing the inspection of the sealing gasket,
complete the installation and docking of the left and right cabin body components. First, connect the left and right cabin components together with the corresponding model of stainless steel bolts, stainless steel large electric rings, and stainless steel lock nuts. Then use the corresponding model of stainless steel bolts, large stainless steel washers, and stainless steel lock nuts. Connect the left connecting pipe assembly and the right connecting pipe assembly on the left and right cabin body assemblies together. Then wisew the slings to transport the cabin hood assembly to the already installed left and right cabin body assemblies. Align the threaded holes. Use the correct type of stainless steel bolts, stainless steel large washers, and stainless steel lock nuts to connect the cover body connection tubes on the cabin cover assembly to the left connection tube assembly 1 and the right connection tube assembly 1 on the left and right cabin body assemblies respectively. After the team has completed the cabin assembly, continue to install the left and right handrail assemblies. First of all, we still need to use a cleaning agent and a cloth to thoroughly clean the surfaces of each component of the left and the right handrail assembly. Then use 2 correct types of stainless steel bolts and stainless steel lock nuts to install the left and right connection components onto the left and right cross tube assemblies respectively. For the tightening torque of the bolt, we still choose 20 nanometers.
Finally, install the left armrest assembly and the right armrest assembly respectively to the corresponding positions inside the assembled cabin body and cabin head body assemblies. Fastening bolt. The tightening torque selected for the bolt remains at 20 Newton meters. The next step is to complete the gluing process of the motor brush. Apply mechanical sealant on both the inner and outer sides of the joint between the motor brush and the nacelle installation. During the gluing process, it is necessary to ensure that the glue line is flat, smooth, uniform, and uninterrupted. If there is an unevenness problem, use your hand dipped in detergent. Smooth out the protruding mechanical sealant. Subsequently, the hoist bracket can be installed and welded together for use when installing the hoist in the future. When installing and welding, the hexagonal head of the bolt and the large stainless steel washer should be installed externally. Select the tightening torque of the bolt as 35 Newton meters. By now, the installation of our cabin head body components is nearly complete. The next step is the process of applying glue and sealing. On both sides of the installation, seams at the connection outer surface of the cabin body components, as well as on both sides of the installation joints of the hood assembly and the cabin body assembly, masking tape is applied, maintaining a distance from the seam. Apply mechanical sealant. When applying glue, special attention should be paid to the requirements of flatness, smoothness, uniformity, and uninterrupted 4-point glue lines. Also, after removing the masking tape, use your hand dipped in detergent to smooth out the mechanical sealant. This is something we need to pay attention to every time we operate. After the docking of the cabin body assembly and the cabin cover body assembly is completed, the bottom components of the left and right nacelle need to be trial assembled. The process is as follows. First, prepare the tooling. The tooling for the trial assembly of the nacelle base components can be modified by welding the cabin assembly bracket and the lower platform frame together.
Then install two auxiliary fixtures for
the upper cabin hood installation at intervals on the left, right and back of the lower platform. Finally, complete the assembly and installation of the left and right cabin bottom components on the installed tooling. Remove the left and right cabin bottom components and the lifting hull doors that have been trial assembled. The standard parts are installed on the lotus leaves and wrapped up. Check that the wing nuts on the pressure plates of the bottom components of the left and right nacelle are not loose after the standard parts are packaged and established when the nacelles leave the factory. They can be transported to the wind power plant along with the vehicle for installation. Okay, classmates, that's all for this class.
Thank you for watching.